Oh, hi there. This video is about this business motherboard from Asus. This also business operating system from Microsoft, Windows NT4. And this regular Core i3 13th Gen CPU from Intel. This was actually launched this year. And this one, NT4, Microsoft Windows NT4, not so long ago, just in 1996. Well, they do get along together, so I was preparing to make a video about this. Then I thought, well, last time when I used my capture card, the image was so crisp. That's so people said, well, I don't know, this looks emulated to me. Well, it's not. It's all on real hardware. The only thing that it's emulated is the power button, which I'm pushing right now. Well, now let's do a quick BIOS tour. Come on. Well, I actually like this text-based interface. I don't know why, maybe for its clarity. There is CSM enabled. Actually don't need to make any changes, so let's restart. While Windows will load, let's talk about hardware. Oh, let's not forget to capture this classic Windows NT boot menu. Okay, so what we have here, and this is a creative Sound Blaster 64. It's usual sound card from the late 90s. This one is from 1998. And here we have an ATI X300 PCI Express GPU. This one was actually one of the very first PCI Express video cards. That's why I found some drivers for Microsoft Windows NT4. Meanwhile, I managed to find some kind of stabilization for my camera, so let's log on. Now let's start hardware info. This is the latest edition. We have Intel, Raptor Lake, AMD Radeon X300. Actually, this is a pure ATI. The AMD didn't took over yet when this card was launched. Well, speaking of this card, we have OpenGL support. I managed to find some mobile drivers. These were meant for laptops, but they seem to work. For example, this is GL Quake. It's working perfectly fine. Here we have another classic. FIFA 98. Let's make a quick friendly match.
Hi there, I'm Des Simon, and I'm glad you could join us for this game between England and Italy. And we're in London, England for an exciting
London, baby.
Glorious sunshine here, and the managers couldn't ask for a better playing surface. So now it's time to go down to the pit.
Well, let's check the team. Peruzzi, Cannavaro, Costa Curta, Maldini, Nesta, Baggio, Albertini, Di Livio, Vieri, Zola, Inzaghi. Well, this is a great team, if you ask me. What else? Well, let's check out the control panel. There is no device manager in this version. The rest, the interface looks pretty familiar. If you want to add drivers, you can use this NT interface. Let's talk about disk drivers. You have to use this alter group UNIATA universal driver. UNIATA, just type UNIATA drivers and you will find them. Or if you want to use a dedicated hardware which has Windows NT drivers, you can go this way. For example, this VIA card has NT4 drivers. There are many cards with NT4 drivers, SATA cards, so you can pull this out using only original software. What else? I don't know, I don't have any network card connected because I can show you some internet action using RetroZilla. This is a pretty good browser for all the operating systems like Windows 95, 98. Well, I guess that's it for now. Oh, we didn't check the MIDI capabilities. It should work. And yes, it does. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time.